Create a lavish oasis in your bathroom with the Niagara Bayswater chrome pair of bath pillar taps, available here at Bella Bathrooms. These taps are made from high-quality brass to ensure durability. The polished chrome finish adds an elegant touch, while the classic white indices and crosshead handles provide a timeless charm. The taps are designed with a sleek traditional curved style that combines both style and functionality. They are ideal for baths with two tap holes, with a 91mm spout reach and deck-mounted installation. The ceramic disc technology ensures a longer lifespan and smoother operation. Upgrade your bathroom with these exquisite bath pillar taps and experience durability, style, and convenience all in one. Make your dream bathroom a reality today. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Bayswater range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.